Violence is a slow process. Step by step it grows more intense. They'll never push to the point where they'd like to be. This doesn't mean it'll end. There would be too much pushback. It must be little by little to avoid a massive revolt. It's a modern inquisition. There have been totalitarian regimes before. What we're experiencing isn't much different. They take on a similar organization with a different persona. It's fairly well known that statism doesn't lead to superabundance. The court intellectuals can't even keep this lie up. They'll point out that statist regimes have a happier population. This is just absurd. There's absolutely no way to measure happiness. Happiness is subjective. This includes interpersonal happiness at the same time and across time. This is every bit of absurd as saying more violence leads to more happiness. Statism leads to war. The institutional violence becomes unpopular. This violence then extends beyond a country's border. Of course, they'll make all sorts of promises. Statism pretends to be something it isn't. It pretends to be peaceful and disguises the fact that it's a religion. It's a religion that advocates violence and seeks to destroy all other religions. Favors are restricted to those who accept the state as God. The state's ownership is a quasi-ownership at best. Its property was founded through the use of violence. Its wealth increases proportionally to its use of violence. The state destroys the division of labor and leads to decivilization. Capitalism is voluntary exchange. Statism is non-voluntary exchange. There aren't wars under capitalism. This doesn't mean there aren't conflicts about who owns what. Statism has appalling consequences. They must fool supporters. Education has decayed to a point where the masses are incapable of weighing ideas. Therefore, it's easy to fool the masses into supporting violence. Statism is essentially saying, violence against you will make you happier. The masses have unwittingly allowed violence to be committed against them and others, and accepted the state as God.